Today I'm going to show you how to remove a door panel on a 2011 Ford Explorer. The tools we're going to need is a 10mm, a 7mm, a trim tool, and a pick or a small screwdriver. First we need to remove this trim piece, then get your pick or screwdriver and come back behind this, remove that. And you got one 10mm bolt right there, and you want to come down here, remove that. You got two 10mm bolts right there, and then you got one 7mm bolt right there, one 7mm bolt right there. I'm gonna start out by taking these two 10mm bolts off. Then I'm gonna take 7mm bolts out. I forgot this 10mm bolt behind the door handle. Then you're going to take your trim tool or a small screwdriver, wedge it in right at the bottom. I'm going to set you down. Sometimes it can be hard to get off. Once you get it popped loose, just pick straight up on it. And you're going to unplug these switches. They just got a release on them. Just push them tabs in and pull straight out. And take your pick or screwdriver. I can do this with one hand. You're gonna push in this tab push in the tab right here, and that'll slide out. I'll set y'all back down. Once you get your tabs pushed in, slide this out, pull it over, and lift up. Door panel's off. This is our old one. Here's our new replacement. Put the cable back into your latch. And just push it in, make sure it latches in. And then come over here, plug in your window switches. Plug in your power lock switch. Make sure everything's plugged in. And take your door panel. It's hard to do with one hand. But see this lip? You gotta put the edge of your door panel down on this lip. After you get your door lock, get it lined up, pick it up, set it down on the lip, make sure it's pushed down all the way, and then you're just gonna push it in. Make sure none of your clips came out like mine did. And it just pops into place. Make sure it's popped in. Pop this back on. Grab your 10mm bolt, put it back in. Put the tube back in behind your door handle. 2 7mm bolts. Put them back in at the bottom. And you're gonna take your pieces, pop them back into place. Just like that, we're done. Guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. See you on the next one.